Welcome to Sun City, Arizona, the ultimate retiree location for the 55-plus group that doesn't want to slow down.
They've got everything here. Golf, pickleball courts, and social clubs? Heck yeah. Sun City, Arizona has everything for that 55-plus crew that still want to have a good time. And if you love Sun City, then we've got the perfect home for you.
Situated on the 15th tee box, you've got a low maintenance, easy to take care of backyard and endless fairway views.
This beautiful home is move-in ready, so skip the DIY and go straight to the BYOB. Bring your own buggy.
You're ready to live in a community that keeps the fun going all day long, then this home was built for you.